This is an engineer for the keyboards and a speaker, you know. So just before I go, I want to show my appreciation to each and every one of you. You've been supporting reggae music and you're the reason why we're here. And I'd like to just let you know that we appreciate you much. Alright, this is an engineer, put some keyboards up there, sir. Yo, I'll be there all days of my life. Words good and a queer of me, oh, we massage. Some we say, rockers who was they like. Some are touch up, some of the keyboards. Yeah, now I like them drop down. Spread the legs, while you're there. Spread the legs, while you're there. Hey, whoa, woo, woo. You're the full segment like a tour. Yo, I'll be there all days of my life. Words good and a queer of me, oh, we massage. Some we say, rockers who was they like. Some of them are touch up, some here. Jamaica, turn it up. And everyone deserves to work, so that's the Congress all these success. All over the world, and there's everything return, yo. Shout out to Rudy, to nothing to be here. We don't do something that is just better than one different way. One is the whole of the day. Choosing the words, that's what. Watch it, watch it, who I don't choose one day. But it's me and I don't include. All the Africans can't get home, can't leave me fool. People poor people and then they get some all in the world. And everyone is in the world. That's not one of all this stuff. All in the world. And just tell them we're moving up the line. We have the time for you, we don't know. Just will stop the topic to this man, you know. Moving up the line, we have the time for you, we don't know. Shot to the topic of the chase. Tell them we're living in a world full of struggle and strife. The weekend away from the ground, we'll survive. Operation and operation. Let in away, I know the day it's like a struggle. We got to stay alive on it. Pick up the Bible and Psalm 75 verse 7. We open when I realize I was star gone over so the next star arise. But we never give up to keep me high on the rise. Yeah, me wanna know about your side. Yeah, me wanna know about your money on your side. Oh, we got to give me a bit more time. Sit down and give me the fire. No, I'll be there all days of my life. What's good and I'm gonna be only my side. We say, and that's new and that's. Make me know that you're side. Give me the side. Give me the side. Some don't take me as this life. And I'm all in the side. I didn't have to bust my gun today. I didn't have to rinse my black today. And so I can almost safely say that today was a good day. I didn't have to rinse my black today. I could have keep my llama locked away. And so I gotta get one more chance to pray and deal with his family. But you are not should have lived like tomorrow. It's gonna be paid after now. Now when I get the boy get filthy and right. Stop that. Good boy not behind our road. Let's go now my way. And so I'm going to be good with him life. California. I watch her then. Well, if a girl thinks she bad, turn up in front of man when man bless. And the leading is how it says. So this ganja man, girl, and the worst. Please take the word and beg. Woman, we have blind distress. Girl thinks she bad, turn up in front of man when man trash. And no member love about us that. Well, I go for blood. I can't tell one. I'm a tell I need one for one. I see the party now. Well, how would you feel if you wake up one morning and saw a big M16 You feel like you want to disappear, but you can't because you're lucky right there. Looking at the one lucky right there. Stop. I come to sing 2 songs. I can't sing 3 songs. 4. 4. Try. If this I show that. Hush. A country me forward from Westmoreland. Because see, everybody will have dance or reason once a night. Me not an argument with nobody. Me not an argument with nobody. I sing that 38 years. Oh, somebody sing memories on it. I get to know. They always never know. They things I could have had. Who don't think when I know the past the one that follows? Anyone I have about them things. But when I come back, I just give me 5 and a stone man. Never, never, never change ya. Oh, it's a mess, it's sentimental when they thought it would be. Here comes the officers asking for us. They found out weapon and they can't touch it. People will say this and that and they just can't. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Turn it up, turn it up. What did that man say now? Every good thing of a start. And everything go back. What is one that I say? I see a joke. On fire. They don't know where I'm from. Money, money, now. Like that. Jamaica. Yes, you got to be strong. And you are the best you can. Cause the world is coming from the youngest. Don't you wait too long. Yes, you got to be strong. And you are the best you can. And the world is coming from the youngest. And don't you wait too long. Everyone is proud. How you do it? How you put it? How you get out of the house? How you get out of the house? The people need to get to work. I'm telling you. Don't be proud for that. Cause I believe in you. And what's the matter? What's the matter? Just to put your money out. And my opinion. Just put it out on it and they want to see it. Put it out. Put it out. So they want to block it up. Only continue to. In the condition. Which you're living now. Ain't nobody giving. Yo, the man never know them straight. Who's up the last of them? Hey, tell you, tell them a microphone. The man know them straight. Who's up the last of them? Tell them the microphone. Yeah, Savannah, Lagos. No, no, man, tell them about the sun. Don't be scared of it. No, no, man, tell them about the sun. Mariana tell me I'm singing the beat. Don't put a thing in a pretty car. But you said nobody else can. Mariana tell me. Just give me a run. Give me a run. Everybody moving to the way we're doing the here, so. Oh, Batman and Rosie. Don't below the waist. Don't put your love into the waist. Don't let us see them deny your face. Don't let us see them deny your face. Because the man named Rocky Army, both of them from the love, the girl, the phone on it. Both for the man who do that, girl, they say I'm gonna get it. Oh, hush. Man, you shouldn't be. Why you biting me? You love to bite the bite, you love to eat the meat. Yes, I'm doing it. Yes, I'm just eat. All of the man them we don't let them out. We put the one in the ear, them now. Rat man, they know me now, girl. Sing down to the man I sing right now. You think that? Oh, your man in the mess on the child. Them things that you combination to that, no, your man in the mess on the child. Tell me that. You're right. Look how them feel like bird. See, you don't know me, what to test you have been heard. I put myself until you get to the upturn. What one of them lay down on the ground. How you put up on you and Jamaica full of girls? How you put up on you and Jamaica full of girls? How you put up on you and Jamaica full of girls? It's not gonna do on the right thing. No, your man, I'm a sound them. Let's see the other nation. Alright, give me a ready man. Now, pull up. Stop. I know I see
not sure, but when you can't give me a reading, please. When you can't give me a reading. Well, I've never was a children and I never pick a pocket. Never see a old man bag and try grab it. Everything me have been on me rock and for it. Why don't you need a bad mind before it? Let me let them see me out the road and be a flat. Why me wanna live the family and me wanna laugh. Yeah, them sexy and me go take some rap. So when I like a slide to laugh. Hush! Them a watch everything you be away and I see the hard work. Them a do for me God. I'm a say me not doing a bad mind. I'm a tell the way for doing a yes a lot. Some of the heart and dirty. Missing up all like a rain, because I'm in a complain. I'm in life is no way. Them girl man a capture in a this music here after the life of the greatest. We don't know what to be a gift, and they just come out with the basis like I see you. Run from me and step and stop rap with me. And then they hear them hearing, make them know a patience sweet. Everybody was on the money now. We used to rub on the money now. We don't tell them no money now. And anywhere we go, nada. Alright. People say them on them teeth for trio. Let them say them on them neck and trio. Me don't need them project. Me don't need them project. People say them on them teeth for trio. Let them say them on them neck and trio. We don't need them project. How you want to do my heart in there? Yo, well, that's a man don't apologize for no. If you listen to Selassie, Holy Manuel Selassie, Jah. Rastafari. Thank you very much for supporting the 30 years of Sizzla Kalonji. Not only Sizzla, hear me now. I continue for from now. Pull up. Pull up now, rough cut. I continue forward from. We are Westmoreland. We have a show. I'm left the show. I'm going to have to change the food. I'm the food. I'm forward. Pull up. Hey! Yeah, I know what show up done. Just give me the rhythm of that play a while ago now. When my Red Bull just play. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I know what show up done. Come to me a phone. People, if you know my respect, see what I show my respect, I show my respect. I have show mine. Everybody will love Sizzla, I'm still going to one day. Everybody will love Sizzla, I'm still going to one. I'll be the man fancy, I'm still going to one. Alright, Sizzla! I'm thinking. Yeah. Praise the Most High, Jah. Rastafari. Righteousness exalt the nation, sing with a reproach. Yeah. Sizzla Kalonji, big up yourself. Yeah, the makers. Yeah, the praise feature. Man up everything with locks, say when if you call Rasta. Sell out the ghetto youth, them just so when we can them lobster. Me see them a run down Moses seat, me know them a imposter. Me hear them a write up in them papers, but them dear pastor. If they're not a God in Israel, want to left master. They want to make it in a life, they want to reach faster. And
Now them gone go buck up in a disaster. Dry bones in the valley. How can you live? How can you live? Ah, dry bones in the valley. Ah, dry bones. Dry bones. Dry bones in the valley. How can you live? How can you live? Ah, dry bones in the valley. Ah, dry bones. Dry bones. Them a go look for a sign and see no more sign. Watch the road where you walk on the road where you drive. Where justice is that on your stack of eternal life. Seek your kingdom first if you want to stay alive. Can't have too much stairs, you have to make a choice. Remember Christ so forward done everything right. Make it cool, some love make the same. This same Christ I get and take it up, but make sure you get a service. Dry bones in the valley. How can you live? How can you live? Ah, dry bones in the valley. Ah, dry bones. Dry bones. Dry bones in the valley. How can you live? How can you live? Ah, dry bones in the valley. Ah, dry bones. Dry bones. Praise the Most High Jah. Yeah, I want to big up Sister Kalonji for the 30th year celebration. Engineer, me can't hear the harmony singer them. Please return them on, please, so me can't hear them, please. Yeah, big up Sister Kalonji. Yeah, don't wait until it's too late to give flowers. Yeah, but for sure, manners and respect for the great contribution over the years. And I'm gonna never let go Rastafari. Big up the Rastafari element there, the Maroon family, big up on yourself. Yeah. Mikey Bennett, big up yourself. Nicky B. Yeah. Miguel Collins. Yeah. Gonna on the arm and the singer them. Bubba, big up yourself for the banner. Yeah, I want to listen carefully because I make a funny thing I want back here. Turn on the fire them for me, please, and thank you. Please don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Please don't fail me now. I know you won't fail me now. Don't fail me now. I got you won't fail me now. Holy Spirit won't fail me now. Listen to Caleb. I'm Mr. Chan, I have been given from Malto. I'm on Vatican, we're marching all round. Them a go member Jericho, bring with Star Show. Them still know you're the emperor, all know. From them go friend fishy and them follow. How we so blessed that them want know. A little bit of this them in a sorrow. Please don't fail me now. You don't fail me now. No, please don't fail me now. I know you won't fail me now. Don't fail me now. I know you won't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Them do them African, so we chant more prayer. Them never remember, say we are demon slayer. Today for you, but not tomorrow for we. And me hear them attack and say, God no real. It's like me can't believe how when me live to see. Everything I fulfill in a prophecy. Them gone in the school, them sad of me. But while them a raise up them salary, them stuck in the job, can't find a way up. And them full of ego, can't swallow their pride. Still I tell them feel Rastafarian. I red, gold and green, my flag flying. Follow me, you, them and I want nobody to stop. Everything I turn to love, me and the town, so every listen, we can't find it, take the way around here. Real warriors, them only possible if it's necessary. A man a lion, nothing different with every story. No kill nobody, no see I say you make a copy. You must see and one, nobody say me every. When revolutionary, but we got a America. Really cycle, we say real one, missionary. Every man has them money, every man has. No make them rise to life because you know how it is. They say you know what you say, you military. Why the children don't deal about in our latest system of me can provide a little something. We will realize them only was it if it's necessary. It's a Colonji. Yeah. It's a my brother still different from show and everything. We have to give thanks to the G. And the contribution over the 30 years. We now come up and tell that for growth. Love and strength. Rastafari.
Chijan, big up yourself. Thank you very much. And another promising artist.
Asian, what do you have to say for the veterans, He-Man, Robin, and Sizzla? Alright, so, taking out for the rock fun. Big up to Bongo Herman as well. Big up the Black Panther, but you see this elder right here, people. This elder play on a lot of classic tunes that you know. So make some noise to Bongo Herman by the stage, please. And I just want to say to you, sister, I am so proud of you. I'm so happy to be a part of whatever you do.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me tonight.
Most welcome.
And there's lots to come. 30 years, I wish you God bless you with 30 more and 30 more.
Exactly.
30 more, I love you. Let's see. Give it up one time for Sizzla, and we need the team out here. Anaika, Samian, everybody else who came from out. The artist who are for. Also, when you come by designer, come by outfit. Big up Minka. Yeah. She did this from scratch. And I know you all love it. Johnny, come on now, Anaika. And the rest of the team. Along with the sponsors, these two ladies, where they conceptualize us of the event. So, thanks for everybody for coming out. Alright? They're coming though, because I mean, this is representing you in a very big way tonight. Make some noise for the team before you go. Take it down, rough one. Take it down, take it down. These ladies came together and said, we must honor Sizzla. I'm going to make some noise for the ladies. Thank you all so much for being here for this momentous occasion. I'm going to plan the radio in a few hours. You know me, I'm going to do the review, right?
Exactly.
Big up Barry FM every time. My name is Amber. Thanks again, everybody, for your attention and your time, and for being here. And thanks to the team for having me sharing this special pleasure. Thank you all. Good night, everybody. Get home safe. And make sure you keep
Yes,
on
you take
listening.
what's not yours. Pretty though you got more. Switching on me now,
Aye, son,
switching on me
sister.
now. You know the attitude that you do today, I'm not sure. Oh, you look at every corner. Trying to make a dollar from the quarters. Try to work a friend